Woo, there he is. Mr. Bill Wealth. Watch this episode with Mr. Build Wealth and let's disrupt generational poverty together. Use the link in the comments to book an appointment with Mr. Build Wealth because you and your family's financial future are worth it. Why should people build wealth?
So I'll start by I like the doctor reference as opposed to a lawyer, and here's
Okay.
why. So when you're sick, you go to the doctor. They ask you a lot of questions. They're trying to figure out what's wrong, trying to give you the proper diagnosis before they offer a solution. I'm no different, but I do it in the financial services arena. I'm trying to gather as much information as I can so I know what solution makes sense. Or maybe there's something you're doing right now that isn't working out or that isn't in your best interest. And so I like to, I used to joke a lot when I was a younger financial planner, was that I am like a financial doctor, right? I'm trying to get you well. I'm trying to get
Right.
you to that point where you can have some level of success financially and to not feel like this constant uphill battle. And you may be in a bad season right now, but that's okay. That's life. So to answer your question about why people should build wealth, are you happy with the current situation you're in? That's one question. The second one will be, are you happy or satisfied with how your family has handled money over the years? And it's something I want people to think about where when you have families who have struggled generation after generation after generation, it begs the question, well, why do y'all keep following the person who's not doing right? Why do you keep going down the same road? And I have an example I can share with you, but it's almost like, why don't we want to do better? Now I know we're talking about money today, but I think about in all facets of our lives. Like
Yeah.
I don't think anybody, I haven't heard anybody say that nobody likes to struggle, but we talk about it all day long. We glorify it. We don't challenge some of our elders in their way of thinking. As technology and education has improved, our way of thinking about money a lot of times has not, and so we're still kind of living in these societies or communities that are not thinking that wealth is even important.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So it's really a matter of you deciding what team do you want to play for. That's really what it boils down to. It is a simple, you want to be on the winning team or the losing team. And if you're on the losing team, doesn't that piss you off?
Don't you want money so tall? All the men or women want to fall. That's exactly why I created the Creator Collab Exchange. Click the link in the description right now and let's collab our way to cash.